What's up guys, Jeff from Sorta Healthy here. In today's video, we'll be breaking down ABC Trainerize, which is a fitness coaching platform. We use it for online coaching, but it can be used for more than just that. When I say we, by the way, I really mean my wife Alexis. I focus on in-person training business operations in YouTube, and Alexis focuses on that same studio stuff, but also online coaching and Instagram. Alexis has been using Trainerize for a good while now, and she has some positive and unfortunately negative things to say about the platform. So we'll be breaking down the pros and cons of using Trainerize. We'll be going over briefly how Alexis uses the application with her clients, and last but not least, we'll be answering the question, should you use Trainerize with your clients? It's going to be a good fit for some of you, but certainly not all of you. Full disclosure, Trainerize gave us a few months free of their software in order to make this video, but again, it is something that we have paid for in the past. Prices range from $10 to $250 a month. Most of you will start off paying very little, and as your client load grows, the price you pay will increase. We also have a Trainerize affiliate link, so if you're thinking about trying this platform out and you want to support us, consider using our link. We do make a small commission there. I'm actually going to start this video off mentioning something that we don't like about Trainerize, but before that, please consider liking and subscribing because it really helps and allows us to keep making you guys free content. Thank you so much, guys. I love all of you and really appreciate that support. And yeah, like I just said, let's kick this one off with something that unfortunately we don't like about Trainerize. So our first dislike or con of using Trainerize is that there is no form integration and some things require too many steps. As an online coach, it's important to have some sort of check-in process with clients. This helps to make adjustments, keep track of progress, and monitor things like sleep, etc. While ABC Trainerize allows you to set habits, tasks, and other metric check-ins, there is no integration for forms. There's a consultation form built in there that's okay, but sending a client a PDF of a PAR-Q or other waivers doesn't count as form integration in our eyes. Clients should be able to fill out everything in Trainerize itself. Clients can't answer long-form questions directly in the app, which is annoying. This forces you, the coach, to use multiple platforms to communicate with and manage clients instead of keeping everything in one spot. Clients do have the ability to message with their coach, but in our opinion, sending check-ins that way is clunky and disorganized. On a similar but related note, there are aspects of client management that require too many steps. For example, going back to check-ins, each client must now receive a message reminder to check in and go to an external site to complete it. As the coach, I need to access their check-in and come back to Trainerize to reply via message. While there is the ability to send a 5-minute voice memo in-app, there is no video option, so that would require an external site as well. It's not video messaging, but you can do video coaching on the platform if you pay extra for a Trainerize add-on. We'll chat more about add-ons later. Adding to the too many steps aspect, some other things like adding a client's weight require several steps, when in our opinion, it really shouldn't. Deleting automatic messages is another thing that should be easy, but requires a lot of steps. You have to delete them one by one instead of just turning them off or deleting the sequence. So our first pro or thing we like about Trainerize, and luckily this is a really big one, is their exercise library. Over the years, we've spent a good amount of time looking for a software that isn't lacking when it comes to exercise selection. Arguably, this is the best thing about Trainerize. They have a substantial fitness library with everything from warm-up to activation movements to different variations of pretty much any exercise. There are progressions, regressions, equipment variations, and pretty much anything else you can think of. Every exercise has a video demonstrating how to perform the movement with good form. As a coach, it is nice to be able to go through the library and select exercises that work best for pretty much any client, brand new to advanced. The Trainerize library also includes exercises that aren't always super common, such as cable chops, dead bugs, and lateral band walks. We also like that you're able to select TRX, BOSU, stability ball, bands, Smith machine movements, and more. These sorts of things are very helpful in creating workout templates that you can adjust for clients. For example, we often end up creating home workouts with bands and a TRX for our work at home clients who'd rather not go to a gym. You can also add custom exercises where you can import your own video demonstrations and set how the exercise is timed, whether it's via reps, sets, or time, and you can categorize it. You can also add workouts to a client's calendar that are cardio-based like walking. This is nice if you program cardio for your clients or want them to get a certain amount of steps daily. Our next dislike or con is that every purchase uses a client seat. One of the things we've started doing, and something that we want to do more in our online coaching, is sell uncoached products like program downloads and subscription-based programs. In our opinion, ABC Trainerize doesn't make it too easy to do this. In fact, there is no way to sell a downloadable program through the app without using up a client seat. The same goes for a subscription subscription-based products. The people who buy these subscription-based products also take up a client's seat even when they're not receiving any coaching. You can have unlimited non-coached clients, but those people don't have access to downloads or workouts. As far as we can tell, those people can only book appointments and do some other very basic things. We would love the functionality to sell coaching programs and subscriptions as a standalone service. And again, in a perfect world, those things wouldn't take up clients' seats, so hopefully that's something they add in someday. One thing we like, and this almost goes against something we just said we disliked, so bear with me, is that Trainerize in a lot of ways does make client management easy. While a good handful of things aren't as quick or simple as they should be, managing clients is never too challenging. Every client has their own dashboard, calendar, tasks, notes, and more. You can very easily toggle into an individual client's program, make edits, or do whatever you need to do, and then go on to another one. There are tons of metrics that you can set up for client tracking, like measurements, body fat, water intake, etc. You can also schedule things directly onto clients' calendars and set their workouts to be on specific days. Clients can also message with their trainer, and either party can send photos and documents to one another. One of the aspects of client management that is really helpful is how things can be automated. You can set up automatic messages for clients to remind them to check in, take progress pictures, or just get their workouts done. Speaking of workouts, at the end of each training session, clients can rate the difficulty of their workouts and leave any necessary comments. This shows up on the trainer's end every time, and that is helpful for giving clients encouragement when it's necessary and, of course, adjusting their programs. The Trainerize dashboard will also help to remind you about updating clients' programs, which is really helpful and will let you know who hasn't logged in or completed anything lately, so you can keep solid tabs on everyone. Our next dislike or con is that nutrition could be better. In managing and coaching clients, we all know that nutrition is a big piece of the puzzle. Nutrition coaching has got a lot better on Trainerize over the years, but in our opinion, it's still lacking. You can handle basic nutritional needs in the normal plans, but must pay for an add-on to do meal plans and other nutrition-related tasks like generating shopping lists. Clients can link their MyFitnessPal data to the app, which pulls in their macros each day. There are ways to set macros for clients in the app, but we don't love that the numbers aren't exact as they're listed in increments of 100. Long story short, if you do mostly nutrition coaching with no fitness component, there's probably not quite enough on this app to make it worthwhile. Another thing we like, or a pro of using Trainerize, is it does have lots of integrations. Like we already said, ABC Trainerize integrates with MyFitnessPal, it integrates with Apple Watch, Fitbit, Garmin, and Withings. And Withings, for those who don't know, is a company that sells a lot of health tracking devices. Anyways, when a client connects any of these things to their profile, it will pull the data so that you, the trainer, can see it. This is really helpful for tracking things like steps and body weight. Not quite integrations, but Trainerize does have some add-ons that are helpful as a coach. You can add on video coaching, integrated payments, and their advanced nutrition coaching. You can also connect a YouTube account, a MindBody account, and there are some other sites as well. Some of these additions do cost extra, but they are potentially useful to have. For example, adding video coaching allows clients to set up appointments with you directly, and the video call goes through the app itself. Not necessarily an integration, more of an add-on really, but you can actually get your own custom branded app as well. This could be really helpful if you're using the program in your gym or studio or working fully online. There's also a new Trainerize storefront where you can set up and share products you recommend with clients and make some commission. If you're working with a lot of people online, in person, or both, this could be a good way to make some extra money. So in conclusion, we think that Trainerize is useful and probably worth purchasing if you fit the following description. You have to be someone who does online coaching or will be soon. You like things simple and you want to take advantage of things like in-app video calling, meal plans, and integrations. Going off on a bit of a tangent here, but Trainerize can be useful for the in-person coach, but we definitely find that in-person clients do best with in-person accountability, workouts, etc., which makes sense. In our experience, it's really hard to get in-person clients consistent on any app, Trainerize included. There's no doubt that Trainerize can help you streamline your online business in a number of different ways. So despite a few flaws, if you do need help with any of these things, Trainerize is a good option. Hopefully Trainerize will see our cons in this video and work to address those issues. What do all of you think about Trainerize? Whether you love it or hate it, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. As always, I want to hear what all of you think as well. Like I said before, we have links down below to check out or purchase Trainerize for those interested. And if you haven't done so already, on your way out of here, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, because both of those things really do help this channel to grow, and that does allow us to make more free content for all of you. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, stay sorta healthy.